here once again. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my curly faux locks onto my short natural hair. So you guys, it has been a while since I've done a hair tutorial on my hair. I can't remember the last one I did. Oh, it's been a while. I'll link it here just in case you guys want to check it out. So just in case you're interested in installing faux locks, curly faux locks, goddess locks, whatever locks you would like, this tutorial is for you. So I recently installed these faux locks in my hair last week, but for some reason like my edges were just getting real fuzzy and just all over the place. So I took them out and I rebraided my hair and did it over. A lot of you guys mentioned how y'all love these and how you guys are feeling it on me. So just in case you would like to have some on your own, this tutorial is for you. Just gonna hop right into it. So without any further ado, let's get it. But before I start, are you subscribed? No? Okay, well make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell twice so that you're notified every time I post a video. And if you are subscribed, welcome again. Hey girl, hey. Let's jump in this video. I have here my curly faux locks. I've had these for about 4 years. So I've had these for about 4 years. Yes, I recycle my faux locks because, hey, if they're still in good condition, I'm still gonna use it. And it's perfect for like this weather because it's still hot here. So I'm able to like, you know, put it up, put it in a big ponytail, and call it a day. So I ran out of my curly styles, so I have these here. I'll link it down below just in case you want to order it online. I realized I was missing some, so I ended up installing some goddess locks that I had in the same bag. So I loved it too, just like a mixture of curly and goddess locks, like so bomb. What you want to do first is you want to braid down your hair. So like I said, my hair is growing but it's still short, so I have to make sure that I style it and part it properly so that way I can grasp and connect all of it all over. So what I did for the front is I parted it into two. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, just so that way if I want to do like a half up half down style, you know, I have enough space. Because with crocheting, you know, you install them through your braids, but if you do it individually, you know, you have the individual plaits and stuff. So I try to make it as small as possible so that it looks nice when it comes to like the plaits and stuff like that. But if that makes any sense. So I braided the front part pretty small without like making them tiny, and then in the back I just connected. I made big braids to connect in the back because back there you can install as many as you want. A lot of people who install faux locks, they use the crocheting pin, which I can show you real quick. So usually people use the crocheting pin. I told you guys I struggle with this because it's not easy to use. I commend people that know how to use it, but I do have it just in case I do figure it out one day, and plus it's pink and green. I love it. But personally, I love to use a bobby pin. I've mentioned this before in my previous crocheting video that I did like this, that I use a bobby pin because it's just easier for me. So yes, so what you're gonna do is you're going to take a lock. Honestly, if you're interested in this is like real simple and easy to do, and I highly suggest that you do it this way. So what I do is I put the bobby pin just like that. So I put the braid on the bobby pin just like that, like so. And then I find the edge. So I come to the edge, like close to the edge. Let me zoom in. See. All right. So like I said, I come real close to the edge to make sure that I get just to make sure I get braids close to the edge. And then you pull the bobby pin up. Make sure that the braid is through the plait, so that way you're able to grab it. Boom, just like that. And then you bring it just like that. Hey. All right, go through each braid and just bring the part up. Yeah, you just have to make sure that you're able to grab it. Yeah. Just have to make sure that you're able to grab it. And then you see how it has the hole at the top, or what's it called, the loop, the latch, I'm not sure what it's called. But then you just tighten it up. And if you want to double knot it just for security purposes, you are more than welcome to do so. If you use the bobby pin method, what I like to do is stretch out the braid just a little bit because you don't want it to be loose, but you want to like kind of spread it out just a little bit, and then bring it. You see how it came through? Yes, yes, yes. And then open the loop. So for security reasons, I don't know if I mentioned this, but for security reasons, if you want to double knot it just so that way it stays, you're more than welcome to. But doing it single-handedly is no problem for me. So my bobby pin go? Okay, thought I lost my bobby pin. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to go through and install these bad babies in my hair. Okay, so right now it is 1:34. So I started these, what, 5 minutes ago. So let's see how long it takes me, because it usually doesn't take me long to do these, but let's see how long it takes me to do these this time. Yes, with a T at the end. I'm good. I just love them. I am obsessed. I just love faux locks. I wish I had the patience and the courage to get dreadlocks, because I love locks. Like, I just love them. But that's why I'm thankful for faux locks, because they do come in handy. So yes, you guys, so it took me, so it is 2:58 right now. So that means it took me about an hour and a half. I did stop to do a TikTok because I wanted to show like a little brief tutorial on TikTok, and you know, hopefully they'll come here to check out the full tutorial. Just want to do a fun thing on TikTok. So that took me about 20 minutes or so. But yes, you guys, I love them. All I have left to do is slick down my edges. So I have my handy dandy edge brush here. You can tell I'm a mom because I'm talking about some handy dandy, like I'm watching Blue's Clues. Mom life be like. So I have my trusty edge brush and then my edge control right here. I'm gonna use this here Gloss and Shine Mist from Cream of Nature and call it a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Let me know down below if you plan on doing these, because they're simple, easy, and quick to do. And I'll leave the link to the hair down below. I'm gonna try to find it online on a beauty supply online site for you guys, just in case you guys don't want to go out to beauty supply to get it because of everything that's going on. So I do want to do like a video on how to style them, like different styles, different ways to style these. So if you guys would like that video as well, let me know. If you guys would like more hair tutorials, let me know that as well. And I see you guys in the next one. Bye.